We already know that food connects us in so many different ways, how we grow our food, where it comes from. Edible Garden Weekend is that continuing celebration of Rooted, the signature event and festival within the Niagara Parks. Come to the gardens during that weekend and learn some really great things about creating sauerkraut and kombucha, as well as tasting local honey and honeycomb. We have a signature guest. His name is Michael Perry, famously known as Mr. Plant Geek. Michael is returning to tell us further stories about his mysteries of horticulture and also share with us some of his most favorite plants and how to create some really cool and fun containers. Niagara Parks celebrates food through many different culinary experiences utilizing our local food, and I want to say really truly the flavor and taste of Niagara, which is so unique to Canada.